What's up, my people? How far? What's going on? How not day? It's your own boy, Young Christ, aka the only singer with the rap with confidence, and I'm gonna be live at Battle of the Sound. Doing my thing, battling it out, and I'm coming to get that crown. My squad coming out big. You know what I mean? My first 4 lines got the dopest. Them when I flow with this game on the realest. Tries cause I'm no fit to round up my defense. That's cause I know that I roll on a different level. Chris coming out live all the way. Brrr!
Yo, it's your boy MJ, aka Mohammed. Here to put vibe to music. Yeah, I want to give a big shout out to Battle of the Sound for giving us the opportunity to show the world what we've got. Yeah, alright. See, I just want to draw bars like a gun. We're here for competition and the battle has begun. Battle of the Sound season 3, this one I return. But them don't do their own pass, remain our turn. I pull up on the mic, let them know what's up. When it comes to music, I no fear for. If you ain't got enough bars, you might but shut up. See you're showing for the competition with the come up. MJ, one time.
Uranus for Jackpa, Neptunes for Niger, Rev Niger, okay. My judges, we have it. Uranus for Jackpa, Neptunes for Niger. DJ, I leave it to you.
One time. Uranus, sing out with the rap with coffee. Listen. Youngers come alive in the nighttime. I spit freestyle, me under the bright rhyme. I spit a killer verse and I flow on rehearse. I plan to jack by you, they won't relax. Go hunger, go finish you. Cause I'm ready to feast on you, give me stew. Make a balance, I'm ready to sit on you. Cause I'm changing this game plan like pretty soon. I'm the independent G, I'm coming soon. Like a blockbuster movie you run into. This just a 1 and 2. So better go get your things ahead of school. There's no playground from the Gretchen crew. I'm the main man like in the Chronicle. From the mainland with the Molly crew. I'll be testing you up with Vernicle. Trying to match up my greatness is heavy load, heaven knows, but I got to let you know. Cause every time I look at you, it's like I'm letting go. This is vital, so don't be upset, bro. So be honest, you kind of look confident, but I'm still confident. So I'm spitting these bars just to make some sense. Listen, see, I just spit bars, me I don't go lie, I don't forget lines, but still you don't match up to my own lines. I want to jack back, I want to avoid people like you, cause you they look like jack. Listen, you a best rapper, but you not fit to match me. Cause I'm feeling this flow and I want rapper. Me I want to fly and I want to own jackpot. Listen, you be the best, but I'm feeling your flow, but you cannot match up cause I'm feeling so low. Anytime I'm spitting bars, they make me the reason my country, you feel so cool.
Whoa, it's your boy MJ. Rap Niger. Yeah. What's up? When I say M, I say J. M. Alright. Let's flow, slow. You know how it goes. Now Niger D and there's no way I'll go. Wanna run away, man? That's not how we roll. I believe you can make the country much better, bro. Vote good leaders for the people. Help the poor, help the old, help the people. Make relationship for people where they're single. Single, in case you wanna mingle. Yeah, let me tell you how we important. You gotta make good change in this country. And the poor citizens for the company. First beating us, they go stop me hungry. Nobody's tragedy, nobody's suffering. Happy the family, living happily. She like that at the best, and you know, if you try to doubt me, bro, I'll show you. Some people say you go travel before you make time. Some people go start the joke and they fake time. See, anyhow you do, we go face time, we go make it good, and I feel like we make time. Bro, see, I go pay. I hear I go go to like, how you go pay? She don't go pay down the way before I hear you pay. We don't give you body flesh, she don't want to do it. I'm out. Tortoise! Over to you, my tortoise! I don't go to judge this matter. Now you go judge
Sometimes you listen. The problem we have is that sometimes we don't judge the crowd, but sometimes it helps. Okay, so the outside applause gets, it's still part of the game. Then I'm listening to Uranus and I'm getting all the old vibes. This is hip hop, this is rap. Okay, cypher. Freestyle, the logics of hip hop. You understand? I'm getting the vibe. I'm popping my head. You understand? And I listen to Neptunes, I'm getting the same vibes, but I'm getting more vibes from from your applause getting, which is okay. Good for the game. I mean, not bad. That's still part of the thing, man. But it's you might think it's a close match, It's okay. I give it to Ramos, but I'm not saying you're not bad, okay? I'm not saying you're not bad. You look young. You look like a hip-hop thing. So I'm gonna encourage you. To better, okay? But I'll give it to Ramos. You're doing great, okay?
Uranus, it's not the first time you're coming, yeah? So you are used to this, this thing. You did great, absolutely. Like you can easily murder any rapper here. And Kepis, I don't know if you agree with me. I've not seen any whack artists today. I've not seen anybody who is whack. I think you all are amazingly gifted. You need to give yourself a round of applause. And I'm proud of what we have representing Anuwado.
Wait, sorry, GT, is anyone coming? Yes. Are you guys coming from a particular school?
Are you guys coming from a particular school of music? Like, you guys are really, really talented. No, seriously. I mean, you guys are talented. Like I'm listening to, everyone from Afropop to rap.
Thank you so much.
Getting, massive.
Hello everybody, my name is Kelvin C, aka C Money, the Too Much Dollar Guy. Yeah, I'm here again for the Battle of the Sound Season 3. Bet me I'm coming with a no star. It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be massive, and I'm gonna walk away with the grand prize. They call me Kelvin C because I've been overseas. I've seen many things, as you can see, now I'm looking good. Check it out now. Yeah, peace.
Yo, what's up, my people? I go by the name RICHEBOY. Richie Baby on this one, yeah. I'm here to win Battle of the Sounds Season 3, and I'm here to shut down this place and make this place on fire. Anytime you call, baby girl, I go pull up for you. Even in the night, baby girl, I go pull up for you. Peace out, man.
Jackpot Satin Stars, Pluto Gang, Rap Nigeria. Are you ready? My judges, over to you. DJ Carlos, let's do this.
Yo, my name is Kelvin C. Repping this Tattoo Stars, the Vibe Masters. Yeah, first of all, I want to say a big shout out to those freedom fighters who know they fear to speak out the truth, especially the musician will be the voice to the voiceless. Fela Kuti in this Abu Karib, Africa, China, rest in peace. Sansot and the things will not be fight for back then, see they happen for this present. Even our own wars pass. Our students stay for house for good 8 months, no school. Even when you graduate, no job. Even the people in the government don't believe in their education system. Now why do they send their children abroad go school? Number one reason I want to jackpot, and the government still don't mind. They buy for the school form for 100 million. Why Oga won't please some people? Some people cannot even afford one square of me per day. Oga won't please and bundle of naira see they drop. It go better for me make a job, make I be a slave in another my country than my own nation. Sasha to swat they stock money from the roadside. I can't even dress or look good in my own country because of the police. If you talk, you collect, or else you drop something. It go better for me make a job, make I be a slave in another my country than my own nation. Jackpot.
Say what? I hear you trying to live the country, man. No, that ain't right. Listen, when I'm staying in the green zone, live my whole life in the walls of the green zone, yeah. Too much love in the green zone, here's one come to a peace to the zone, yeah. I don't know what's wrong, but I'm gonna keep on standing strong. But it says unity, peace, and love. But I'm gonna keep on spreading love, yeah. Green, white, green, my zone. Green, white, green, my home, yeah. Green, white, green, my zone. Green, white, green, my home, yeah. My home, I feel we rough, but we feel with stuff, yeah. My home, I may be rough, but we feel with stuff, yeah. Back up man, yes I know. Back up man, yes I know. But we're chilling, yeah. All the way up, okay. Never going down, always on the top.
Okay. I beg you now, go give me a chance, my last small. You know, say when boss they shadow, I go jam a little like that. You know, say as the boss they move, people go they say, oh wow, the boss go they stop for different bus stop. Guy, why you not get bus stop now? You just go. You don't even wait for the beat. You just they run, they go. Wait till happen. So for me personally, no. But this Saturn's, is it Saturn's Pluto? Okay, what I love about your delivery is the fact that you sing rap. Sing rapping is the kind of like the new generation kind of rap. But you weren't audible enough. But I love that style of yours.
He's intimidated you the first time. We had to let you go the second time. Okay? And that's why you did good. So there's always a second chance in life. And you killed him the second chance. Okay? So I'm going to give him preparedness. So for you need to work on your stage craft, okay? You sounded better the second time, okay? Preparedness is key.
Like KP said, yeah, Pluto did better. If you the conductor and you call up my bus stop, Saturn, I no go hear you. You go don't carry me go where I no know. You know, so next time please be clear, be audible. And I like your style. In fact, when you started at first, I first removed my glasses, say, you know, I feel what you were doing. You know, and keep it up, man. Don't be confused. Don't let anybody confuse you. Yeah? Big ups.
We're moving on to reggae. Are you ready now? Say, come on, say. Ready. Battle of the Sound 2022, Lagos, Nigeria. I see you, Sheliani. My churches are seeing you doing a wonderful job. Take it down, baby. Take it down, baby. Now we're doing this back to back, and I called the two nations that will be representing the reggae version. We're doing reggae. Who is Niger? Who is Sakpa?
It's your boy Happens on the mic, yeah. aka Mikasa. Good afternoon, everyone. Shout out to everybody outside, Busybody NG, Battle of the Sound. I am one of the contestants that is participating for Battle of the Sound Season 3. Ada say my name, she like to dance, yo. Say dear body, Pila Market Jackson. Sweet melody, Pity Baba Frayo. Make I play you on my rhythm and jazz. Before I commit suicide, give me Ghana loud. Anything see they for man that remember the shanking. If I tell you something, but I'm making no loud. If you see me, they para my mentor, it be bad though.
Hey yo my people, I go by the name Lucky Vibe, and I'm one of the contestants of the Battle of the Sun Season 3. You guys should work out for me this season, and I'm good, you understand? Say, in case you want to make I quick die young, you don't see goat, say they kill lion. Say, me when I they use rap, collect a girlfriend. Don't let me murder you like Fulani X-Men. Listen, bruh.
What you say? Say you welcome to Sunday battle, you not ready. You condemn knock the jeep where we no understand. You there go say you there come battle of sound and you never ready. You want win man millionaire and you never ready. Then give you mic, you there complain say you not too loud. And you there run them bam say you there.
From method we're playing. See, we got a car, we ain't gotta spend it. Why should we keep? Come on, making money every minute of every day. Hey. Forget your worries. Don't feel sorry. And oh my God, who could be against you if child? A round of applause to my judges. A round of applause. Give me that sound tonight. If you know you love our flag, let me see your hand in that tonight. Give me that. Oh, I. Oh, I. Lucky Vibe, oh, I. Listen, Joe, me never forget where me come from. Joe, me never forget where me rep. Say, me never forget all the good stuff. Joe, me never forget all the pledge.
Jay, when me go jackpot for me country, when me citizens see they hungry, me no say flood they everywhere. Jay, me no say government no send. Jay, why we go jackpot from the country where we dey? We never come around the fucking on this. So me not giving all the niggas on the front the point cheese. Giving all the niggas from the front the point cheese. Giving all these niggas when the front the point see. Say the Francis say ya say me never give on 90. Say why me go even jackpot from day one? But we talk from the band. Anytime I come in niggas when they come and know they say if you feeling me let me see the hands in the air. If you feeling me, let me see the answer the A. Say, boss, now God will bless you. Whenever you there with a wash your love, I don't know go text you.
Boy, on the mic here, aka Young on the mic. Yeah. I'm the street boy, yes. I'm the street boy, yes. All the streets in me, protecting the VDs. I'm living my life, la vida loca, you pay for me. Ready to shine, my nigga, show you want to be new. Because I married you and I hate to point me fingers. Ladies from my back, I know me best friend be my ganja. Waiting you want speed for my to way go past alive. I hear you want to fly, you want to bet. Show visa, Jara Stafari on my daily bread to fried rice. Make I know because of small body, send my bed right. Good God, me I know what talk and me guys feel nice. If you joke for my neck, I fall like to rock guys. Yeah, I just butter like you wake up to wear pampers. You look at me person like we getting more. Steady on my grind, I focus on the roses. Big boy like me, I know the rap, me, I know gadgets. Reggae like this, I fall like Japa because I'm a big boy. I fall like Japa because I'm a big boy. Somebody worry you now, why you want this? I like my brother better come down, you know, say young people tell you. Many things I'm feeling right, yeah. Everybody feeling the way me, I'm busting right, yeah. Everybody shake away the way I'm checking right, yeah. See the mic way I do hold, yeah, blow me right, yeah. I feeling it so. Everybody see the beating that they play.
I think I'm going to give it to you guys. You did absolutely well. You flowing with the rhythm. Both of you guys, you know, but I have to choose one, okay? I have to choose for me quickly because we ain't got time. I'm going to go with Aliens for now. Now, don't see for us. Okay, mass. I'm not disputing the fact that you're not flowing well, but I have to choose one. Okay. So if there's a second chance, Neptunes, if there's a second chance, okay, I want to see you back here do better. Okay. All right.
Come on! Make way! Go the topic! Saxons and Uranus!
Champion vibe in the champion mind. Eliminating every parasite we send. I've been a Beatos ability, you testify. I set the base and others follow, I'm on the find. Champion smile with me, champion swag. General prime, me shit into the sky, me say I'm a go-getter, but why you watch your I survive in nowhere. I never say never. Championship, I'm a champion.
Alright, DJ Carlos, take it down. Take it down. So who is for Jackpot, who is for Stay? Okay, so we have Saturn for Jackpot and Uranus for Rev Ninja. DJ, bring the beat on.
You know, see me, I got the flows. And this thing's way up, you know, my heart is cold. Can me rap Nigeria to the top side, and you know the soul. Nobody fit to tell me things so my eyes don't see. See the time to bring out the vibes of me thing goes. Music spiritual, like no is touching soul. After this one, you gonna testify. Many things they man demand. Many things that things to lose. But it's got to pop in sound. You need some vibes. Some vibes will go cool your mind. You gonna make you feel alright. You need some vibes. Some vibes. Come from the place nobody believe in us, but everything I do. Just giving me life, I will do everything myself. Pick up the dogs, stay positive. Pray for I mean, me I flow properly. Everything that I do, me I just follow. Niger, everything good, everything nice. Good plan days, me I dey study, me I dey bad. Cause we need some vibes will make you feel alright. Some vibes will make you think back. Some vibes will make you feel bad. Positive thoughts for the mind, negative thought never in the life. Everything I do is G for.
All right, moving on to pass the mic.
Yes, sir. Go by the name YZB. Oh, yeah, now. Yeah. So many things I did face. I meet them on my street, though. Many people dead and they suffer. Get to when I get many people dead and they cry every day. No food, no water, no light. To overwhelm my jack salon. Yeah. Every day tears in my eyes like the water. When I enter street, when I see many people they suffer. Mama told me say make a chill, make a calm down. Very time, very soon everything go better. Whoa. Toba wale mama jakpa. Toba wale mama salon. Many people they then they suffer for the street. When I day, no light, no water. Many people then they suffer. Hey.
All right, DJs. Thank you so much. Over to you, my judges.
Moving on to Fuji. Anything me power me oh. Back goes. What should you okay? My two. Select box stop. Let's go. Fuji, are you ready? Bring it on stage and bring it on Mercury and Venus, the Neptune and Pluto, Stress and Democracy, Freestyle and Shirley P. Live on the Fuji stage, and this is the last stage. Aha! You cannot be doing Fuji and you're not playing money. You know, Shirley. The two contestants come on stage. Mercury and Venus.
People, yeah, this is expression motivational with the success. Just keep your head straight and you get there. Come on, so pé ó tó gẹ́, ogun kan sí kò sí o, ogun àmúbọ̀, ìdààmú ayé mi, àṣeyọrí ayé mi o, ó tó gẹ́.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know what time it is, I am the D to the MOCRACY, Democracy. In case you don't know, shout out to Battle of the Sound. Don't you Battle of the Sound. I'm on 2022. Yeah. I'm gonna kill any repeat. I'm on Democracy. Yeah. Can you feel it? Can you see it? Can you? We are listening to it. Hey, you dey feel the vibe.
That's fresh. That's fresh, Nigeria. I will do sílùú wọn ní Nàìjíríà o. Iná kò sómi o, títí ò dá, a ò dẹ ní security. Ẹni àdúró, a ò lè dúró. Ẹ dúró, ẹ sọ fáwọn ìjọba gbogbo sí iná kò sómi o, títí ò dá, a ò dẹ ní security. Ẹni máa dúró. Oya jápa, a ò lè dúró. Jápa, a ò lè dúró. Jápa, a ò lè dúró. Sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, jápa, a ò lè dúró. Òkè ẹ jápa o, ẹ jápa o, ẹ jápa ẹ jápa o, 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 ẹ̀yin. àwẹ̀dá òkì òkìmọ̀lágẹ̀rẹ̀ ọmọ àwọn yan ibà sátìrà mọ́ ní ọba tiwa. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Battle of the Sound for giving us this great opportunity. Mo dúpẹ́ o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dúró o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dúró o. Nàìjíríà ṣì máa dára. Nàìjíríà ṣì máa dára and it start from you. See, ẹ jẹ́ ká dúró o. Mommy and daddy, ẹ jẹ́ ká dúró o. Nigeria ṣì máa dára, Nigeria ṣì máa dára and it start from me. Àánú orí ta o, adé orí ọ̀gbìn. Ọlọ́run ló fún mi lógo, adé orí ọ̀gbìn. Ẹ jẹ́ one time.
All right, over to the judges, please.
You see, Fuji music will always be cheat anywhere. If you hear Fuji music, you must shake that body. Sure, you understand. You both find like you both kill this. It makes sense actually. But what I want to say is this beat don't really do justice to that Fuji. I think we need to look for like another beat because this song na common song where everybody know. So we need beat like you know. So I think for the next one we're gonna do that. So
I just want to say that, like, you guys
Time's up.
Both of you. I can't even judge you guys, man. Allah.
Nice one. A round of applause, man.
You guys.
Moving on to.
Hey guys, my name is Fish 4. I need Battle of the Sound season 3. Yeah. Hey, say me no send nobody send me. Yeah. I got myself mine, go where nobody know me. Yeah. Where no daddy no mommy me. Yeah. Just me and me, only just to get money. Aye, so I throw
I'm Adesola Hamza. I did aka the Fuji music artist. Adesola mo le mi lokan tèmi nga dára o. Ẹ ti rí mo le mi lokan tèmi nga dára. O dọ́là o kì í ṣàjòjì yẹn l'Amẹ́ríkà o. Pàǹsálì o kì í ṣàjòjì yẹn nínú Euro. O náírà o kì í ṣàjòjì yẹn ní Nàìjíríà. Àwọn òde kì í ṣàjòjì nílẹ̀ Agodo. Ọmọ mo le mi lokan tèmi nga dára. Ìmọ̀ àwọn iṣẹ́ ẹ̀fẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́. Àwa ló ní àlódẹ̀ máa kàn kó lè máa jẹ́ nìyẹn.
Ọmọ ajá ni mí àmúṣá olórin. Ìlú bàbá mi ní àmúṣá láàyè. Ọmọ ìdílé òní ibà jẹ́ láíláí àti bá máa dùn sí ni. Aláìbó ṣe máa jẹ́ nìyẹn o. Má ṣe máa ṣe ìyẹn Nàìjà ń bí. Nàìjà sì máa dùn. Ó sì máa dán ara mi. Àwa ní gbàgbọ́ nínú Olúwa. Nàìjà sì máa dùn. Ó máa dán. Àwa ní gbàgbọ́ nínú Olúwa o. Ọmọ Nàìjà ayé ẹ má ṣe ìjàpá o. Àwa ní gbàgbọ́ nínú Olúwa o. Nàìjà sì máa dùn. Ó máa dán. Àwa ní gbàgbọ́ nínú Olúwa o. Gbogbo ẹ̀ títí tí ò dá ó sì máa náà máa sọ tiri. Àwa ní gbàgbọ́ nínú Olúwa o.
Yeah. Peace for Yeah. Yeah. Adìyẹ tó ti kó kò kí ń jẹ àgbàdo jágbàdo. Adìyẹ tó ti kó kò kí ń jẹ àgbàdo. Nàìjà kí ló wá dé o? Ẹ̀ ń jẹ àgbàdo o. Nàìjà kí ló wá dé o? Ẹ̀ ń jẹ àgbàdo o. Kò sí iná kò sọ́nà, Fúlàní pa Ìgbò pa Yorùbá.
kò sí iná kò sọ́nà o Fúlàní pa Ìgbò pa Yorùbá kí ló wá dé o kí ló wá dé o ẹ̀ ń jẹ àgbàdo tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ bóyá mo fẹ́ já àpàṣẹ mo fẹ́ já àpàṣẹ jápa lọ sílùú London mo fẹ́ jápa lọ sí Canada mo fẹ́ jápa lọ sílùú Europe. Nàìjà ò ní ipa wa Nàìjà ò ní ipa wa.
I don't talk am before say Fuji na cheat. Anywhere when you hear Fuji, you go flow. But for me, everything will be better for me.
And also, yeah, you were a bit weak in the beginning, you know, but you picked towards the end. And I love the participation from your crew, and he didn't have that, you know, with his crew. So I'll give it to you too.
The announcements and the results will be published on social media and the website, so make sure you follow us. And then also make sure you stay on the page at Battle of the Sounds on Instagram. And also TV and YouTube viewing is also at Battle of Sounds on YouTube. Make sure you follow, make sure you view, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much to my amazing judges, from KP to Sammy J, and to my main man, JT the Guitar Man. T, come on! Are you ready now? Come on, say! Hey,